Hello guys, so how are you? So I'm going to make a new video for you. I hope you are enjoying well. This is summer season now, and the weather is very bad. I think not so bad because sometimes it's raining. Still, I'm enjoying, and now I'm living in Madaripur. So how are you all? Today I'm going to talk about this source of money, how you can earn money, or how you can be a rich person, or when you need any money, where can you get your money actually? So actually I don't know about it, so I am going to ask you the question, how do you know it? Let's make some discussion on it. If you need money, where do you go? Where do you go for any kind of loan? Who is the best source of your loan? Please tell me. I think best source is mother. If you take loan from your mother, you never need to pay. So it's the safest loan of the world. Just take money from your mother and you sometimes father also. But it's difficult to take money from father because father is usually a dangerous person. We are afraid of father, but we don't care about our mother. Mother is very soft, so we take loan from our mother, and it's the safest loan. And the payment time is used until Qiyamah. You don't need to be worried about payment until Qiyamah. Inshallah, you don't need to pay in the Qiyamah also. So you are safe in this life and after life also. So best loan is mother's loan. Sometimes you can also take loan from your friends, right? They are also very good and safe source of your loan. Now you just take your loan. And if they call, brother, I need money. Why man? Actually, you can make some excuse and they will cry for you. And if they give you money, and they will hanker after that money and hanker after you. Actually, so if you want to feel valuable, take loan. Take loan from your friends and surroundings. They will respect you. They will look for you. They will give you while every time, and they will please request you, please. So please take loan from your friends and surroundings. And if you want to be a very valuable person to them, take loan. Is my good suggestion, I think. But I have another source of loan. It's a very good scheme, and I am very much happy to get this type of loan. The loan source is my wife. My wife regularly gives me loan. I'm very proud of her. She's very good, very kind. Especially when I want some loan, she always gives me some huge amount of loan. Although the amount is small, but she is the regular giver. I think she is my personal bank also. Whenever I need my money, any kind of money, she will give me loan. Wow, I'm very much happy. But there is another problem that if I pay back, I need to pay back every month and after every month, but never ending process. And today I went to the market, and my wife gave me the loan, and after giving me the loan, she spent all the money on the market. So so if I take my loan and she spends, this is the scheme. So it's unique scheme. I am taking the loan, but she is spending. So she's giving me loan every month, and almost in every market day, she's giving me loan. So I'm happy to get this type of loan. The next month I have to pay the loan, although I didn't touch the money. And if I need any kind of bazaar market, she will give me the loan, and I have to pay back. And never ending process of payment back because I will always pay and never finish the loan. So I think Wife is the best source of taking loan because she's always available. She will give me loan. No, 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 no. So wife is very good, very, very good. Okay, and very safe loan source. Wife is very safe loan source. Take loan and don't worry about payment. In after getting salary from your month, you just give her back. You know, no problem, no problem at all. So you take the loan from your wife. So I told you some sources of money. I think you have to take loan. Loan if you want to take loan. So you look for this kind of sources. Don't go to the bankers. I think they are for the richest person. If you become poor like me, just go to the wife, go to your wife, and I am going to my wife also. So it's very simple. And I think wife has a very good economic knowledge and very good financial knowledge. I think, yeah. For example, you are earning money. I mean, men are earning money, but women are becoming rich. They are buying properties, they are buying lands, they are buying flat because although they are not earning money, you are earning money. I mean, you are earning money, but your wife is becoming rich. So I don't know how they did it, but I think their financial knowledge is very high, very very good. They should get the Nobel Prize, I think, because they don't need to be rich to they don't need to be earned to be rich. So they have very good financial knowledge, financial IQ, and we always need to listen to them. Yeah, we must obey their advice in terms of financial issues. Okay, they are always correct because they have very good financial IQ. I think you should obey your wife. I regularly obey my wife. Okay, so if you want to be rich, please give your wife money because she will be very rich soon. Actually, is when you are not giving, actually you are just pay back to your loan because she owes you money, so you have to pay. So pay your wife first. I think this is all from today. So please share where do you get your loan? Who is the best source of your loan? I think my English is quite good and you could understand my English, I think. If you fail to understand my English, please comment. And if you clearly understand my English, please also make comment and rate my English speaking skill. Hope you enjoy my video. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching my video. See you. Tata, bye bye.